This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow pop-ups in the Safari app. I will be using an Apple iPhone SE for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone here. To allow pop-ups in the Safari app, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings and tap on Settings. Then you'll scroll down to where you find Safari. There it is right there. And tap on Safari. Then you'll scroll down to where you see it says Block Pop-ups. And as you can see, I'm blocking pop-ups on my Safari browser right now. To allow pop-ups, you just toggle that off. If you don't want to allow pop-ups, you toggle it on. But that is how you allow pop-ups on the Safari browser. Thanks for watching.